Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Prather Life. Today's video is the Bissell Power Force Vacuum Review, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my box. I just got it in the mail, and let's start opening the box and see what's inside. So I'm going through all the tools first. There was an awesome turbo attachment, probably for doing upholstery or your stairs, those kinds of things. So I was very pleased to see they had some really nice tools on board. So yeah, I'm just kind of showing you what those look like here. So here I'm taking it out of the box and just kind of trying to get it set up to see what things look like here. I found this vacuum at Walmart for roughly $54. Oh, there's my kitty Lacey. She's gonna check things out. So I just wanted something kind of light and compact for my salon area. I have a nice area rug down there, and just wanted something, not real expensive and just kind of light and compact. So very easy to assemble. You just actually insert your handle into that little green area right there that I'm trying to get it into, but it is actually easier than it looks. So cool. I'm so happy with it so far. Oh, here's my other kitty to check it out. She's a little skittish, so she's like, every time something new comes in the house, she's freaking out on me. So here I'm just kind of showing you everything set up. You've got your see-through canister at the bottom. All the tools fit nicely on board, so they're going to be easy to grab. There's the turbo brush attachment. Yeah, and here is the canister, which you just lift out basically. The green button in the back. Let me show you. There's a hose attachment, so you really just lift that up when you want to use it. And it's got a pretty decent length hose also. Trying to get that hose back up. It's hard to do that with one hand. So down at the bottom there's a green that lowers the vacuum so that you can vacuum. The red button next to it is your stop button, so just wanted to show you where those were. I was so impressed with the power of this. Oh my goodness. It really dug in and was picking up some really good fur fuzz off the carpet. So very surprised that this was, working just so well. There's the red button I just pushed to stop it, and I'm gonna go ahead and probably look around the canister and just see how much dirt it picked up. Look at that. Ooh, yuck. Man, I was pretty impressed. You've seen just the short amount that I vacuumed. That is a lot of fuzz that it picked up off that rug. Very impressed. So I'm just again showing you the hose and the attachments. So the canister was very easy to remove off of the vacuum itself. So here I'm just going to go in and empty it into my trash can. And you'll see here I do have a automatic trash can, so it kind of closed on me. You have to be quick or push the button, the open button, so you'll see it close on me. Oop. But anyways, that was a lot of yuck it picked up, so very impressed. So I'm taking it back to the vacuum, just snapping that bottom closed. I haven't yet cleaned it, but I'm sure it's great. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Thumbs up. Give me a great review.